Welcome to Beerstories from Beerstories Brewhouse. This video is about normal versus de-husked black roasted malts. If you don't want to miss any videos from Beerstories, please click like and subscribe down the corner. You get the newest videos in YouTube feed and you'll help out the channel as well. Also follow me on Facebook and Instagram. So the difference between de-husked and husked black malts, roasted malts, well, it kind of explains itself by the name. So the de-husked malts, they have no husk or no shell or whatever you want to call it, and the other one does. And what that does for the malts is the normal ones with the shell in it or with the husk in it, they are more roasted, they are more bitter, they are more astringent, they are more harsh. Whereas the de-husked malts are more round and mild. They impart the same color, of course. So where do you use what and when and why? Well, if you want a beer to be roasted, you want that roasted flavor, you should go with the husk. So a lot of stouts, people use husk in them. Porters is a great example where you want the roastiness to be kind of in the background. I would use de-husked malts like Carafa Special or chocolate wheat, because that would impart a more round flavor. So the roastiness is kind of in the background, and the dark malts, the chocolate, the licorice, steps up. I would also use in a brown ale or a double bock, if I have something I want to impart color and no roastiness, I will always use Carafa Special or chocolate wheat. And my stouts, I often use I almost always use Carafa Special anyway, but also some normal Carafa or black patent or something like that, chocolate malt, just so that the roastiness won't be in your face, but it'll be more mild and in the background, but still I want it in my stouts. So yeah, that was pretty quick, and actually that was it. That's how I use de-husked versus husked black malts, roasted malts. If you stick around to the end, there'll be 2 videos up here that YouTube wants you to see. And please click like and subscribe down the corner. I'll really be curious to see how you are using these different types of black malts. So if you write it down in the comments, I'll be really happy. Also, if you have any questions, write to me through Facebook, Instagram, and so on, or through my webpage, beerstories.dk, or just down in the commentary. That would be cool also. Yeah, that was it. Have a happy brewing out there.